It is advised to thoroughly clean needle cover after every use. Lock needle cover in the closed position for cleaning purposes. All parts are compatible with thermal disinfector cycles. Needle cover is now clean. Always inspect needle cover after cleaning. Replace a sleeve whenever damage or reduced functionality occurs. It is advised to have additional needle cover syringes and sleeves available. Gripper cassettes can also be cleaned using the thermal disinfector. Sleeves and gripper cassettes are consumables that must be periodically replaced.